Good evening, traders. It's the 6th of February, 2022. You cannot believe how time has flown. Person almost doesn't have time to think or breathe. No, I'm joking. This is a very serious business we're in, and serious to the extent that we don't know what's going to happen next. We can go and draw lines on the screen or look at market patterns and see what the market is up to. I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can go and have a look at what the Bitcoin price is doing just to start off with, because that's ultimately what all traders are worried about. So when we look at what's happening, we had a channel going up, we had a drop. In fact, it was just pretty much a sideways channel. When we draw the lines on the screen, we can see they're down, and then a changed direction, touched the bottom of the original very, very bullish channel, and now it's waiting to see what's happening. Now, what traders do is, especially when you go into the news, traders would say, hey, it's bullish, and then it's bearish, and then they say, oh no, it's bearish, it's going to drop, and then it goes bullish again. So 70% of the time, what you see in the news is just the opposite of what traders are teaching their crew. So you folks are part of the crew. And when we start looking at some of our trades like Alice and Gala and all of these trades, we actually see that the market has recovered quite a lot. Now, today, being the 6th of February, we're going to look at next Tuesday, Wednesday, for whatever the market is going to offer us. And that might mean bullishness or bearishness. So we got another week to see what we have. Now, my traders, some of them fall off the bandwagon. They don't necessarily want to, listen to any advice, and they do their own thing. And, like I make mistakes also. But at least one thing is for sure: buy in the dips, buy in the dips, buy in the dips. When we look at any coin, I'm showing you that if I to put my one-day graph on, you're going to see I've got lots of buy orders. Where are they? Buy orders. Okay, let me just refresh this quickly so that you can see all the buy orders. And it's just because there's a channel that we're working with. The channels are our best indicator, because what we want to ultimately do in the market is we want to have more Bitcoin. But when we see our dollar rand value drops, then we, this is so, we sad and we crying or whatever. Plenty of sell orders and buy orders. So if the market drops, I'm going to be placing orders down, but down to 20, 25, 24,000. You say, oh, are you expecting the markets to drop? Yes, I always expect the markets to drop, and I want you to expect the markets to drop so you can take advantage of discounts. Nobody wants the most expensive price. We want the cheapest price. That's all. We want the cheapest price possible. Now, I'm suggesting that whatever happens is that you start cashing out on your funds. Let's take all of this stuff away. I'm just going to clear all this, the indicators, all the drawings, and now and then, of course. So we saw the same thing happening there. When was that? And let's just quickly draw a channel, like the channel is actually wrong. The channel starts at the top. You pull it to the bottom. You can see there's a nice channel that's formed. Now we add our moving averages. And let's see on the 1-day moving average what we find. Click twice so that you get 2 moving averages. Let's go and have a look. Change the 9 to 50. Make sure that the 50 is a green number. The green is the positive number, and the second one is the 200, and that must be a red by color, not pink, red. Is that red? Right, let's use that red. So we got the death cross happening there, and the price is wanting to move through that area, or it's going to bounce down again. You know, there is, what do we see over there? We got to use multiple tools to trade, folks. We can't just simply use one tool and think, oh, that's the alpha and omega. You see, is it going to go down and then up? Is this just going to, like, okay, it's going to go there and there and there and there? Or is it going to go there and there and there and there and then back? Or is it just going to burst through the seams and go to the next level? Lots of things can happen, but it's going to happen in this channel for now. And this is going to depend on the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. So just get yourself ready for those lower buy orders if you are trading Bitcoin. Accumulate more Bitcoin. Yes, between 27 and 29,000, or simply 33,000. Or don't listen to all these, I don't want to say morons, because I mean, everybody's got an opinion, but sometimes people create FOMO and they want you to follow their idea because they got their buy orders down there. So we do spot trading. Now, anybody that is doing anything else besides spot trading, they're making big money or they're losing big money. We're not doing that. So folks, we're going to be posting some messages, some information on our WhatsApp groups tomorrow. And you guys have an awesome evening, and we chat soon. Bye for now.